Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope this video find everyone doing well and in good spirits. Okay guys, let me tell you what I will be sharing with you this morning. It is to me, a delicious Ambrosia salad. I call it my vitamin C salad. So it's AKA vitamin C salad. So guys, this is a real quick video. I've been having it for years, and I got other salad recipes that I will be sharing with you guys. But guys, let me tell you what the ingredients is that you'll need to make this salad and what you got to do, and then I'm gonna go off and get my bowl and drain my fruits, and then we're gonna mix up this little easy salad, and I will talk to you more then. Okay guys, you're going to need 15 ounces of the mandarin oranges, and you're going to be draining that. And guys, I have that pineapple over there. I could not find the 8-ounce size pineapple in the stores, but that's what you need. All you need is just 8 ounces of pineapple.
Pineapple tidbits.
Pineapple tidbits, thank you. 8 ounces of the pineapple tidbit, and then you're going to need 1 cup of sour cream, and then 1 cup of the miniature marshmallows. And guys, you're going to now this is optional. If you don't like coconut, you don't have to use it, or you can use less. But see, I happen to like coconut. But you're going to need 1 cup of the shredded coconut. Okay guys, that's all you're going to need to make this delicious vitamin C salad, which I told you is an Ambrosia. You know, I already got an Ambrosia video up, and I told you guys that I was going to do this Ambrosia salad when I did that video, but I'm just not getting around to it. And this salad is real good to eat this time of year when you need your extra vitamin C in there. And when I make this, you can store it in the refrigerator for about 4 days, 3 to 4 days. It's, as long as you got it in a sealed container. So guys, let me step off and get my mixing bowl and come on back and mix this salad up. Show you how easy it is to mix it up. And that's it. This is not a long video, and I won't be taking a long time for it. I'll probably just mix it up, go head on, put it in the bowl, and it'll be the end of the video. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back and I'm ready. And let me tell you something I forgot to tell you while I was off. Sometimes I put cherries in mine. It's totally optional. I love cherries, all kinds or whatever. But these are the maraschino cherries, and I put those in there. And I didn't have that many left, so I'm just going to only put them in the dish when I get ready to do my thumbnail. And I already got my up, down.
That's it.
I already got my marshmallows in the bowl, guys. And I'm going to go ahead on, I'm just go ahead on and put the rest of the stuff in here. This is the pineapples, which is supposed to be 8 ounces of the pineapple. Guys, let me tell you something. We're not allowed to say certain things, YouTubers and stuff on here, but y'all be careful out there, since everything, the crisis that this world is in now is just kind of spiking back up. But I'm gonna tell you one thing that I noticed, that they should do it anyway. When you go in the stores, they're not wiping the carts down like they was at first, and then they don't have the wipes up there to wipe them down. Guys, I always keep paper towels and stuff in my purse, and I've been carrying a little hand sanitizer around forever. So, oh, that was the oranges, guys. I used to break those oranges up, and this is the sour cream. And 1 cup of sour cream. But keep you a paper towel or napkin or something in your purse, and that little thing of sanitizer, so when you go in these stores, you can just squirt a little of that on your on a paper towel and wipe down the handle of these carts and stuff. And I noticed when me and Tuck had went through the drive-through, the people are not wearing the masks and you're handling your food without gloves on. Something they should be doing anyway, especially the women's at the window that you know, that bag up your order, taking that money, germs and stuff, it's on money and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna have to look out for ourselves, guys. That's the reason I want to share this what I call it, my vitamin C salad.
Mm-hmm.
That's the reason I want to share this with you, guys. We got to take care of ourselves. Ain't nobody else gonna look out for number one like you is. And I always have been big on that kind of stuff, and especially during flu season, you really got to be careful, because I tell you, I have seen some terrible things what people do in a grocery store. Just mean. I'm gonna pour a little cherry juice over here right now. And you guys will know what it is when you see it on the thumbnail. Like I say, you don't have to, but I just want to make the dish look better. And cherry juice will always give something a little color. And that's it, guys. Just mix it up real well and put it in your airtight container. And it'll stay in the refrigerator about, you know. Now mine ain't gonna stay in the refrigerator, so I can't tell you. Me and Tuck, we like we like salads, fruit salads, and you know, normally I fix the Watergate salad. But in a long time ago, Gary, did y'all have the Jello salads and stuff like that? We used to have them in the schools all the time.
Mm-hmm.
But
Fruit cocktail like in Jello?
no, I'm just putting it in this little decorative bowl, but this is not what I'll store it in the refrigerator like this until it gets chilled. And then I'll take it back out and I'll put it in what's left of it, I'll put it in a container. So guys, it's not the cutest thing, but I'm going to put my cherries and all that stuff in there. It's going to make it look better. And I'm probably putting some more of my pineapples in there, but I'm just doing this for the, showing you the recipe. So guys, that's it. Can you show it to them?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to,
Yeah, we own it.
This is good too, guys. I love it. I love it. But guys, I'm going to go ahead on and end this video. And I want you guys to stay safe. Use your common sense. Ain't nobody going to protect yourself and your family like you are. And just, you know, just do safe practices and stuff when you're out amongst the people and stuff like that. Because when it first went down, me and Tuck was, Tuck would take the disinfect to the store and spray the bags down once we put them in the car. But when we get home, we have the what kind of wipes that you be wiping everything down with? Those are disinfectant wipes. We wipe everything down. Your potato chip bags, because I had to tell Tuck, hold up. At one point, he was getting the meal and the flour. I said, you're getting a little bit too much of that stuff on there. And, you know, because too much ain't good. He was wetting the bags, and I was scared. You know, it's a disinfect, but that stuff can be poison, you know what I mean? When it's ingested and stuff. So, yeah, just use all type of safe practices and stuff, guys, with this weather like it is. And then for the flu, because I just always take my milk cartons and juice cartons and canned pops and stuff like that. I bring them in and wash them down. I always have did that. It ain't something I started with the COVID. I wash it down before I put it up in my refrigerator. So guys, let me go ahead on and end this video. because we got some cold weather out there. I think it's about, what, about 34 or 35 degrees out there right now. But it feels like it's colder than that. Then it's been raining and all that stuff. So as soon as this salad chill, I'm going to eat me a bowl of that. And then, you know, tell them what else I eat before today. Because when it's, when I'm staying inside, being nice, cozy, and warm and all that kind of stuff, I like to do a little snacking. So, leave me a comment, guys, as to whether or not you guys like the Ambrosia salad, but AKA May's vitamin C salad. It may not be a whole lot in there, but it's enough. That's the way I can eat my mandarin oranges. But we have fresh oranges and grapes and cherries and all that stuff that we be eating. But I still love my salad when I want a little extra sweet to it. So leave me a comment down below whether or not you like the Ambrosia salad, and let me know what type of salads like this you guys fix, because I love fruit. Any type of fruity salad that you or any type of fruity dish that you want to share with me, I will really appreciate it, because I love fruity stuff. I eat cakes and stuff like that and pies, but I done made a lot of different fruity type pies and stuff with Cool Whips and all that. I just like that kind of stuff. Well, a lot of people don't like marshmallows and Cool Whip. I love it. So remember to thumbs up my video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you would, and hit that notification bell to be notified. And remember what May always told you guys: think positive, use your common sense, and May love you guys. Bye.
Bye, you guys.